Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can pay with Revolut on a phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Revolut app first. Once you have opened it up, go ahead, tap on this option of cards. And now from over here, tap on this option of get card for you to get your virtual card. Then from over here, go ahead, choose the kind of card you want. We want virtual card, tap on virtual debit card. Go ahead, choose the color of it and tap on get virtual card for free and go back to your settings of your phone. You're going to go to your settings. You're going to go ahead and scroll till you find this option of wallet. You're going to tap on add card. Right, and then once you tap on add card, go ahead, provide the details of your particular, go ahead, choose the debit or credit card, provide the virtual card detail that you just got on your Revolut, add in the card details and confirm it and add it to your Apple Pay. Now, as it mentioned on the description, when you go to the stores, without scanning, you can just scan your Face ID and tap and use your phone to pay for it. And you can make the Revolut card the main card for the payments, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.